Hey guys, it's Brandon's Bullish and I'm back with another video. It's Tuesday and the time is now 11:37. So let's get into it. We're looking at spot on the 15, but I guess let's talk about Monday. There was pretty good movement. I got into a sell here around 660.60 when it broke out of this range or whatnot. I got into another sell when it retested the VWAP right here. I was up like $80 at the moment, and I really wanted it to push past this and go to 658. It didn't. It retested, and honestly, I could have held, but I see my contract was breaking even, and I wasn't sure what it was gonna do around VWAP, so I ended up pulling. So I ended up just breaking even on the day, which I guess I was up 80. I like literally could have taken the 80. So I guess I just need to stick to my rules better, because I did say I was gonna pull, or at least pull one contract when it did get here, and I didn't listen to any of it. But yeah. But today, what do we see? SPY fell a lot. Sorry, what's a lot? A lot is looks like $1.5. $1.5. We're currently sitting on this demand at 659.65. Right now, we're trying to see if it will head back towards the VWAP, or will it keep pushing down towards our next demand at 658.85, which was my target for yesterday. Right now, it doesn't look like there's a lot of volume, but who knows? Price actions has been terrible the last few days. But I could see it potentially retesting and going back to 660. But definitely look for, or definitely be cautious, because this could easily just go to 658.80. Other than that, I think those are all the levels. So yeah, look for either it rejecting off the supply and heading to 658, or it returning back to the VWAP and the supply at 660. We're looking at NVIDIA. Oof, this looks messy. Sorry. What do we see? Actually, let me go to extended. Yeah, so it looks like we're in this range, kind of, sort of 178 and 178 to 172. That's a big range. We're maybe not in a range at all, actually, but right now we kind of sitting along the VWAP, right above or right below the VWAP, right below the supply, so that could act as confluence. So I'm going to be a little bit more bearish right now. What I would like to see is it maybe reject off this supply and VWAP and then continues to fall to 174. If it does fall and touch our demand at 174.50, the next demand would be 172.78. If it does happen to overtake this VWAP and this supply, our next supply is 178.30. So those are the zones I'm looking at. Shorts to 174.50, calls to 178.30. Apple's been pretty bullish. I'm not gonna lie, pretty bullish, especially today. Rose a lot. Rose looked like $3, and it's currently rejecting a little bit, but we are sitting right along the VWAP, and we are right on a demand. So what I'll say is, look to see if this red candle holds and pushes below. If it doesn't, start to look for buyers to step in, and for us to go to 242. And if that doesn't happen, start to look for sells to 235. Yeah, 235.50 or whatnot. So yeah, calls to 242. If sellers step in, shorts to 235.50. But that's all I have for you guys today. Hope you guys have a good one and stay bullish.